Get ready, it's Dorky Girl vlog time. Oh yeah!
Good morning, internet. Guess what? Just guess. There's snow outside. What the heck? We're just gonna, close that. This is gonna suck. So I thought I could stay inside and stay away from the snow, but I can't. I have to bring my nephew outside to catch the bus. He's got a 2-hour delay, so I have to go out, and that. Oh, the roads are black, and yet they have a delay. Because apparently they're still really, really slippery. It's probably black ice. It's probably because it's raining. Stop raining. Just see the rain fall on the ground. I'm gonna go clean off the car. Ew, slush, snow, gross. It looks like poop or Oreo cookie crumbs in the snow. Oh, we're taking my dad's truck today because my dad needed to bring my grandpa to the doctor's. So, bud, you gotta get in on the other side, dude. Get on the other side of the truck. Ugh. Oh my god. So high up in this truck. This is gonna be awesome. Holy crap. The car is on right now. Well, the truck. It's so quiet.
Because it's new.
Oh my god. Right there. Just hold it still. I feel so, like, big in this truck. I feel like, whoa, diesel in this truck. His feet look so little and they're not even touching the ground. Bye, car. Thank you, mail lady, for dropping off our mail. Yo, gymming out. Well, time for him to get on the bus. Bye. We're gonna wave in a second. Bye. Well, time to get the mail. Oh my god, there's so much slush and mud and gush and ugh. This is disgusting weather out here. Oh, they put something in a bag. How nice of them. Got it. I'm getting rained on from the power lines above. Oh well. Time to get back into the big diesel truck. How am I gonna do this? Sorry, it's close up on my face. Needed to hold the mail. Ooh. Paper. There. Yes. Oh my god, every time I climb in here, I feel like I'm like climbing into like a monster truck. Okay, I gotta try to back this thing up. I'll let you know how it goes. Go, buddy, go, go, go! Sorry. There was, the wipers just cleared it. Never mind. Alright, I'm doing good. Here's your mirrors. Okay. Yeah. Look it, I'm doing pretty good. Haven't hit any vehicles yet. I just feel so big and diesel and kind of quite small in this truck. Alright, I'm gonna stop here. Alright, yeah. There's my house. I did a good job. Hold on. Right. High five. Oh, and I'm inside. Oh, bed, how I love you. Oh, good night, guys.